she's humming and she's ready to let loose. This is the spin bender shot.
Dude Perfect.
What's up, guys? We're Dude Perfect. Welcome to Fidget Spinner Trick Shots. Here we go! This is the spinning Ninja Star sticker. She's stuck, baby! Woohoo! Let's go!
The long blue weird one versus the dollar sign. Cha-ching. Fight! Off the table. Golden Snitch versus Rainbow Trout. Fight!
Yeah!
TKO!
The Snitch is victorious! This is the spinning bounce to a buddy shot. This is the blow dart spin shot. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 10 spin tower. Got to start with a solid foundation. The golden beauty. And of course, to finish it off, the purple hoser. Ladies and gentlemen, the 10 spin tower. What a view! This is the super speed spinning spinner strike slam and smash shot. Here we go. I'd say we call that good. Reality. Wow! Hey, and also if you get too sweaty from sitting Indian style too long, use one of these to clean out your pits. This is the Ninja Star Skeet Smasher. Woo!
The Golden Beauty versus the Dance Party. Fight!
See ya!
Off the table. Ninja Star of Catastrophe versus DP. 3-hour minimum spin time. Only if you set it next to an aircraft. Fight! Off the table! Get that weak stuff out of here!
This is the twin toss.
We never have to come back to reality.
Let's go! Got a little game for you guys. Comment below and let us know, is this really the low to high or the high to low? Here we go. Yeah!
Reality.
experienced ninjas only. This is the kickspin. Core, launch me.
Oh, don't be scared, don't be scared. It's a part of life. I don't care if we run and hide.
Yeah!
You and me, we never have to.
This is the Ninja Star Balcony Bottle Blaster. Bang! Nice! The bottle got blasted. This is the super tall transfer toss. Coming up, Court. Send it.